Up to the shed. Don't press anything. Hold it like that. Don't press anything with your fingers on the top or anything. You don't have to do anything. Just hold it. Ready, yeah?
Yeah.
Just keep facing to the shed. Well, this is how you demolish a shed. Hopefully. I don't know how easy.
Dad, take the thing away.
Shut up.
I'll leave that there for now.
I'll be quiet.
This bit here.
That's loud. Here's my dad being stupid, man. You're gonna wake the neighbours.
I think I better do it from outside.
Oh, you're doing it massive damage. Hey, Booby!
I do not want to do this. Sake, my arms are aching.
Oh!
Nasty.
What's happening?
Hello.
Oh!
Hurry up, this battery's gonna go. Oh! Stupid. Whoa. It's gonna go like that.
Oh, Dad, you're gonna break the tree!
Dumb man. He's being a bit show-offy for the camera. Now he's gonna pull the fence down. I don't know why, he's just being a weirdo.
You're gonna kill the mice.
He's gonna kill someone. Oh my days. Oh my
It
days.
made a massive
Oh my
hole.
God.
Did you see that?
Look, it's actually leaning over my dad. He's actually gonna
Dad,
be
don't
buried.
break the tree over there.
What?
He probably will.
Probably will.
Shut up, I've already said that. This mat is really wet. Ah.
Oh!
Not man.
Gonna push it.
Oh, come on. We're running out of battery here.
Careful you don't break the
We've been running for about 3 minutes now.
wall down. You know.
Hold on.
My finger
Vent,
keeps
yeah.
going in it.
Dad, you're gonna break it.
Oh my. Now you gotta pick it up.
Oh, did you see that?
Stupid little man. Haha. How's not a good thing? When he says haha, something bad's always gonna happen. I hope not.
That would have been cruel to the shed.
We are. Oh my god. Pulling the roof off there. Uh-oh, you're gonna be in big trouble.
I don't think it's broken. I think it's just flattened a bit. Yeah, it's
Goodness
alright.
sake, man.
You.
Phew. It's not over yet.
You eat.
I do not want to be
Dad,
there
don't
right
do it
now.
again. Don't do it again.
I'm just gonna hop myself onto the table. I've had enough of standing on this wetness.
What's he doing?
Dunno. Being a man.
Don't whack us.
Sol, can you hold this for a second? Don't.
Pass it back again.
1, 2, 3. Oh, we got past.
Where's the sledgehammer gone?
So pass it. So.
Okay, you can turn that off now, Jay.